Telangana's big tucker. It's a grand finale. We're looking at all 17 seats there that's going into polls in one season itself. In fact, this is the fourth poll round in this Lok Sabha, and we're looking at Telangana, the youngest state. All 17 Lok Sabha seats, we're seeing a three-cornered fight. The Congress, the BJP and the BRS are seeing a fitting fight and a challenge as we're looking at some of the hot seats, be it Hyderabad or neighboring Secunderabad, Karimnagar, and a few others that where the pride of the BJP is at stake and the pride of the Congress, of course, the BRS extensively. Key candidates, as I did mention to you, Union Minister G. Kishan Reddy seems to be his prestige battle as he heads the BJP unit here in Telangana. Also, you have AIMIM Chief Asaduddin Owaisi, who's also the one and only MP from the AIMIM party. So for him too, this is a prestige battle. BJP's Madhvi Lata and Bandi Sanjay both vying for, Bandi Sanjay of course vying for the second term. Madhvi Lata with all her attics hoping to gain big this time in Hyderabad against Owaisi. Now, superstars we saw flocking in right in the morning where Allu Arjun, Chiranjeevi, Junior NTR, who came in nice and early to cast their vote. Telangana, which was at one point traditionally a Congress stronghold, really turned around to give BRS a chance after the Telangana movement. And it appears just a decade later, anti-incumbency hit. There were several other factors to why KCR lost. He did speak to me a little earlier. We brought that exclusive interview to India Today, where he told me that he takes full responsibility indeed for the loss of the BRS. And this time, the BRS intends to give a fitting reply to both the Congress and the BJP. But let's take you through all the political voices and the film stars who came in to vote in the morning. Have a look.
I've just left it to Almighty because I feel at least today it's not just an examination for me, it's an examination for my entire constituency. I want to put a stop to all those hatred. I want to put a full stop to probably all that underdevelopment. I want to put a full stop to entire violence that had been all these years. I wish, at least from this day, my small little children of my entire constituency should see a brighter future irrespective of caste, creed, gender, religion. I think along with me, my entire constituency is tired of this. I want smiling youngsters' face. I want them to move on, get good jobs, girls stand up in their life, get married to good families.
Very emotional today.
Yeah. I'm on fasting for my whole constituency today. I wish this brings a new sunrise to my constituency.
So a temple visit ahead of casting your vote?
No, it's a very unexpected. I've just to come to cast my vote. It got delayed by 2 minutes and my car unexpectedly stopped in front of the temple. This is a temple where I've just come when I got newly married. That's the reason my vote is in Malkajgiri. There's a house of mine here. So it's just an accidental thing that I landed up into a temple. But if that can really bring prosperity in the entire constituency, I feel I'm blessed.
What would you like to say, madam, to the voters today, to the people of Hyderabad where you are contesting?
I would only tell and request my entire voters of Hyderabad Parliament that please take the one opportunity to change your fate. Let's go forward with harmony and brotherhood. I want every small little child to smile with a decision taken by an elder. The entire children, the Dalits, women and poor's fate is dependent on the voting today. Please give opportunity to me to serve my constituency and serve the nation.
Thank you so much.
Madhvi Lata calls herself the face of Hindutva. What would you call yourself?
I am the face of Indian nationalism.
Sir, the five national issues you're seeking vote for today.
I've already said it, but I don't want to get into this trap of appealing for vote on the day of polling when the campaigning.
What are your five national issues, sir?
No, there are many issues. See, what I feel the people of India understand, especially the youth, the Narendra Modi government has done what they have done with the Indian Army recruitment with Agniveer. they will definitely, if Mr. Modi comes back in power, he will replicate the same scheme for CRPF, SSB, Railway Protection Force, BSF. Because if that is done for the army, which goes and stands at the borders and protect the country and us and the Indian citizens, he will definitely do this, because 4-year service, you are out.
They claim that only the cream is chosen. They claim that the cream is chosen.
So the same argument will be given. So see, if this can be done for the army, why won't this government do it, which we don't want? Now, can you imagine at the age of 22, 23, the youth is unemployed after having done 4 years.
But they get benefits after 4 years.
What benefit? There is no benefit. There is no pension, no medical, no education. Nothing is there. So this is what I'm appealing to the youth of India. Please understand this.
भी हमारा एक्सपेक्टेशन पहले भी बता चुके हैं, हमारा एब्सोल्युटली हमारा नरेंद्र मोदी जी फिर प्रधानमंत्री बनेंगे.
प्रधानमंत्री ने बहुत फोकस किया है तेलंगाना में, होम मिनिस्टर भी बहुत फोकस किया है. उनके कैंपेन हाउ हेल्पफुल विल इट बी फॉर द बीजेपी?
एब्सोल्युटली दे आर माय लीडर्स, माय पार्टी लीडर्स. तेलंगाना में आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का, अमित शाह जी का बहुत प्रभाव है. गांव-गांव में लोग उनको देखना चाहते हैं, उनका बात सुनना चाहते हैं, उनको आशीर्वाद भी देना चाहते हैं. मेरे ख्याल से तेलंगाना में मेजॉरिटी पीपल आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी को आशीर्वाद देंगे.
Joining me now is legendary music director Mr. Keeravani. Sir, you have casted your vote. What's your message to the people of Hyderabad, sir?
I just landed from Dubai and I did not wash my face yet. I did not brush my teeth. Directly came from airport to polling booth to just pay my...
Are you saying that you came out only from Dubai to just cast your vote, or it was coincidenting with your travel?
No. I went to Dubai for 2 days, but I just landed. First thing, I need to go home, you know.
Correct.
But I straight away came to polling booth. First I want to finish this, and then I'm going home now.
People of Hyderabad usually don't come out because of temperature and long weekend. How do you see this, sir?
Temperature or no temperature, we have to do your duty, no?
And what are the issues that Mr. Keeravani looks at, sir, while voting?
Pardon me?
What are the issues that you look at while voting?
That depends, no? Everybody has their own issue, and it's all perspective.
Everybody has to use the right of their vote. I think it's a good message which we need to pass on to the coming generations. Everybody has to use the right of their vote. I think it's a good message which we need to pass on to the coming generations.
Please cast your vote. It's a very responsible day for us, as all of us, for the citizens of this country. I know it's quite hot, but let's put that little effort, because today is the most crucial day for the next future, the next 5 years of our life. Please cast your vote.
So I would like to say, every time I've been telling, this time also, the new emerging voters are coming up. So I do request them, make use of your power of vote. People like us, we are requesting and appealing, please do come and make use of your vote power.
Show the country that we are responsible and that we do care. Please come out and vote. Thank you very much.
Live.